Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today. My name is Murli Bharadwaj and I'll be presenting our team's poster. So our client is Cox Communications, which has 49 different products in 3 different market segments: video, data, and phone. They have over 6 million customers spread across 9 market regions, and we are working specifically with their customer retention team. Cox has been having problems with their analysis methodology when it comes to assessing the value of price changes and implementing optimal pricing strategies. Their current system is both non-standard and time-intensive for analysts, and they have brought us in to address this. Our solution is composed of 2 deliverables: a price response application and a churn forecasting application that you can see in the second 2 columns of our poster. These 2 deliverables are in a web interface for easy use by our client. To talk about the price response application in more detail, we can move on to the middle section of our poster. The inputs for this deliverable include a specific product offering, a specified region, and lastly, a customer attachment type, which can either be an upgrade or an up tier. These inputs are used to implement price response modeling and determine optimal price for a specific product in a specific region. We implement price response modeling by querying the volume of either upgrades or up tiers for each specific product in a specific region across different price points on average. Then we fit an exponential price response function to this historical data, and with this function we can easily calculate elasticity of price between different price points. In order to determine the optimal price, we first generate a profit curve as a product of the price response function and the difference between price and marginal cost. The maximum point on this curve is also the price at which we are maximizing gross profit from either upgrades or up tiers for a specific product in a specific region. According to our calculations, if optimal pricing had been offered to all customers in 2019, we could have seen a percentage increase of 0.38% in profits monthly for all data products, a 0.37% increase in monthly profits for all video products, and a 0.22% increase in profits for all phone products. To talk about the churn forecasting section, which you can see on the rightmost column, we first take in a number of inputs, which include firstly the number of segments. For example, 1 segment describes customers with either video, phone, or data. 2 segments describes customers with 2 of the previously mentioned segments, and so on and so forth. The application also takes in a specific region input and average price input given the previous 2 inputs. These inputs are fed into the churn forecasting application to output a customer churn forecast. Our forecasting methodology starts with gathering the customer volume data to then produce a generalized additive model. We use this non-parametric regression technique because of its ability to model highly complex nonlinear relationships. The model will fit a curve for each region's customer churn comprised of linear and seasonal trends. This application leverages the time and the average price as important predictors and has granularity with the ability to filter on the number of segments and the region, 2 variables with which Cox Communications currently is using to make price changes. To conclude with the value of our project has multiple areas of monetary and analytical benefit. Firstly, the value of our price response application is given in the bottom of the second poster as a percentage of revenue on a monthly basis. Secondly, the churn forecasting value comes in the form of strong foresight. We can understand how time and price interplay together to provide strong forecasting ability that can minimize churn. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and please let us know if you have any questions.